Hey everyone, and welcome. We are diving deep into the exciting world of fashion, where the game is all about speed, efficiency, and pushing those creative boundaries. Artificial intelligence, or AI, as we like to call it, is the fairy godmother of fashion, transforming the entire product development process.
Let's be real, darlings. Predicting the next big thing in fashion is no easy feat. But guess what? The fashion world is evolving, and so are the tools we use to stay ahead of the curve. AI is like that super stylish friend who always knows what's going to be hot before it even hits the streets. It's not just about having a good eye, it's about having the data to back it up. Algorithms analyze everything from runway shows to Instagram trends and actual sales. They sift through mountains of data, identifying patterns and predicting what will resonate with consumers. This means designers can spend less time second-guessing and more time creating jaw-dropping pieces. Imagine the freedom to focus purely on creativity, knowing that the trends you're working on are backed by solid data. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of predicting the future, it's shaping it, one fabulous trend at a time. With AI, the future of fashion isn't just a guess. It's a well-informed vision, turning dreams into reality.
Picture this. You're a designer and you've just sketched the most amazing dress. Virtual prototyping lets you create a three-dimensional digital sample with just a few clicks. You can see how the fabric drapes, moves on a virtual model, and make adjustments in real time. No more mountains of discarded samples. AI optimizes every step, minimizing waste and using resources wisely.
We all want to feel special, right? AI is bringing customization to the masses. Imagine inputting your measurements online, picking your favorite style details, and boom, you've got a custom garment tailored to you. This means less waste, lower inventory costs, and happier customers. It's a fashion revolution, creating pieces made to be loved and worn for years to come.
Chapter 4. Teamwork makes the dream work. Streamlined collaboration. Creating a fashion collection is a team effort, honey. It's not just about individual talent, but the synergy of the entire team. Designers, manufacturers, suppliers, all working together. Each person brings their unique expertise to the table, ensuring every detail is perfect. Digital platforms act as virtual headquarters, where everyone can access the latest designs, track progress, and communicate in real time. These tools make it easier to share ideas and feedback instantly. No more waiting hours for a response. It's all about instant updates and seamless collaboration. Quick communication means faster decision-making and fewer delays. AI automates tedious tasks, letting creative geniuses focus on designing incredible pieces. From pattern making to inventory management, AI handles the grunt work, freeing up time for innovation and creativity.
Chapter 5. Fashion with a conscience. Data-driven material selection and sustainability. AI helps us make more sustainable choices without sacrificing style. Imagine AI sifting through massive databases of fabrics, finding the perfect match for your design. Digital solutions allow brands to track the entire journey of their materials, building a more ethical and sustainable fashion industry.
Chapter 6. From inspiration to reality, shortening time to market. In this chapter, we explore how the fashion industry is revolutionizing its processes to bring new designs to market faster than ever before. In the fashion world, time is of the essence. Every second counts when it comes to staying ahead of trends and meeting consumer demands. AI-powered pattern-making software can whip up complex patterns with incredible speed and precision. This technology allows designers to experiment with intricate designs that would have taken days or even weeks to create manually. Brands use data insights to make smarter decisions, minimizing risks, and maximizing their chances of success. By analyzing consumer preferences and market trends, they can predict what will be popular and adjust their collections accordingly. This speed and efficiency benefit brands and fashion lovers alike. Designers can focus more on creativity and less on logistics, while consumers get access to the latest trends almost as soon as they hit the runway. We get to enjoy fresh, new designs even faster. The future of fashion is not just about what we wear, but how quickly we can wear it.
As we've seen, AI isn't just changing the fashion game, it's revolutionizing it. The future of fashion is looking bright, innovative, and most importantly, sustainable. Let's embrace these advancements and push the boundaries of what's possible in fashion.